Xiaomi has just joined the battle against users of the grey market. Yesterday, several users began reporting that they were receiving notifications on their devices that said the following. Your device may not be the official version for your region. These can impact device functions like network connection to contracted operator. Contact distributor for assistance. Xiaomi has officially communicated to media outlets that it's not considering blockades but clarifies it's for now. Get further help from your distributor. And that for now can be a few days or weeks, just like what happened with Samsung, which started by sending a warning notification and later announcing the blockage. Motorola did the same, impacting only themselves. The Federal Telecommunications Institute in Mexico initiated a campaign against the grey market, naming it Your Immovable Mobile, to address this issue effectively. What a silly name. They've published a series where they announce the drawbacks of getting an unapproved cell phone for use in Mexico. First point, no warranty for Mexican territory. Crucial, manufacturers should notify, not block. Valid warranty is important. Only thing manufacturers should warn via notifications, not by blocking, in my view. It would be very good that when you turn on your cell phone for the first time, you receive this notification, or that it does so periodically to inform the user that their warranty will not be valid. In any case, many manufacturers' warranties in Mexico are not something they can boast of. We repair your cell phone regardless of what happens. More or less like what Apple does in IFT publications. They still start saying that there may be problems with the battery, which is completely false. You can have geolocation problems, another thing that is completely false. And finally, the manufacturer can block it to prevent its use. That's happening, but it's not in the law. Several of you have started a kind of rumor that Telcel could be behind all this, and it wouldn't surprise us because it is a very big company. But obviously, we do not have evidence to assert it. I have no evidence, but do you know how we can realize? Seeing who will join the blockade, since Oppo has announced that it would take measures against the grey market. However, Oppo has a much better controlled distribution chain, so it has not had as many problems of this kind, but it is also allied with Telcel, so it was very strange that they said that. Honor is also with Telcel, but they have not made any announcement, so let's wait and see if Honor follows these steps, just like it could be the case with Realme, which has varied distribution, but is also with Telcel. Simply speculating, one could say that Telcel is imposing this condition on them if they want to be distributed by them, since they are the largest distributor in the country. But do you know who is not with Telcel? Infinix. For me, this will be the key. If Infinix never joins in on this, it will probably mean that there is indeed something behind pressuring manufacturers to implement this blockade. I insist it's just speculation on my part, but that would definitely be a completely unfair competition. Where is your honor, trash? Are you a complete disgrace? Don't you deserve respect? My Technonauta colleagues have started a signature collection on change.org, so I'm going to leave the link in the description in case you want to join. This would be a way of protest, let's say formal, for brands to see how many people disagree with them, although obviously it does not guarantee that they will make the decision to remove this type of block. I believe that the only way where brands will truly feel the user's contempt will be when they see their sales drop. If this continues, there will be nothing left but to recommend Infinix devices that haven't joined the blockade and are also of good quality. Although I think the ultimate winner will be Apple, which provides users with outstanding support because they can get their cell phones repaired here in the US or in any country with an Apple store. That's what manufacturers should be imitating and not doing this kind of thing. Another manufacturer that has not joined, as I told you, is Honor yet. Huawei is not involved in this either. Realme has not announced anything about this yet, and possibly some other smaller manufacturers. It is evident that this is causing a lot of annoyance among users. Just by looking at recently published content with news about Samsung, where their comments have been exclusively directed towards being angry with the decisions that Samsung has made. Hopefully, they will decrease the prices of their official releases, similar to what Motorola did. Likewise, let's hope that manufacturers clearly announce who their official distributors are and where their devices can be purchased without the fear of being blocked. Because several people are worried and uncertain about where to buy their phone so that it won't be blocked. In short, I will keep you informed of any other manufacturer that makes an announcement about this or joins the battle against grey market.